In this video, I'm going to show you how to get tin ore in Once Human. So as you can see, I'm currently positioned at this place over here, which is called the Iron River, and next to me there was just a bunch of tin ore. As you can see, there's a lot of tin over here, and then over there, and then all around this area over here. You can pretty much farm endless tin. And yeah, before you'll even farm all of it, you'll be able to come back because it has been respawned already. So this is pretty much the best and kind of the safest area to find the tin in the game. And if you're wondering where this is, if I pull up my map right now, this is just around this River region. As you can see, you want to teleport to the Greywater camp and then go via this road over the bridge, over the river, and you'll be able to find a lot of tin all around this kind of coast of the river over here. Okay, so if you want to get more, you want to simply walk down this to the river, and then near the river there'll be a lot of tin ore. There's also a bunch of iron and a bunch of copper and other things that can be found over here, and it's overall a great area to farm things. And yeah, as you can see, there's a bunch of nodes over here. You can also, if you get lucky, find a silver ore here or there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's one of the best areas to find tin ore in game. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please help me out as well by subscribing to this channel.